Hola! Today we're traveling to La Mancha, the land of Don Quixote. We're bringing you a delicious and very easy to make traditional dish. PISTO Manchego con huevos, Spanish ratatouille with fried eggs. So if you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. First of all, we grab an onion, we peel it, and we cut it very small. Next, we get our peppers, we clean them well, we open them carefully, and we clean all the seeds, then we cut it small as well. We will use both green and red peppers to make it very colorful. The next thing is the zucchini. We peel it, we dice it as well. Now to the eggplant. I'm going to leave part of the skin and I'm going to follow the same procedure, dicing it small and setting it aside. Finally, the garlic. Add a taste, cut it small. All our vegetables are ready, so we're moving on to the kitchen. We prepare a pot with a lot of olive oil, and first of all, we add the garlic. We fry it for like 10 seconds, and now we add the tomato sauce. It can be grated tomatoes, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar to balance it out. That way, it won't be so acid. We stir it from time to time, we leave it on a mid-fire, and it's going to take approximately 40 minutes. On the side, we fry the vegetables. Abundant oil, we add a pinch of salt every time, and we do the vegetables one by one because they all need their time. We put the oil through the sieve and we set it aside. We will reuse the oil every time. After the onion, I'm going to fry the zucchini reusing the oil. A little pinch of salt again. And after it's nice and brown, same operation. We use the sieve and reuse the oil. Next is the eggplant. A little pinch of salt. Add a little bit more oil if necessary. And for each vegetable, the time they need. Now we check out the tomato sauce. We see that the water is being consumed. And finally the pepper. It may take a bit longer because they are quite hard vegetables. Pinch of salt. And after approximately 10 or 15 minutes, our vegetables are all ready. The tomato sauce has simmered nicely. It must have this consistency. And that's how we like it. We'll set it aside. We put all the vegetables at once in the pan. We mix them together. There's no need to add any extra oil. The vegetables have enough in them. And little by little, we add the tomato and mix it all together. A little bit more. And we repeat the process slowly until all the tomato is in. Now our pisto is ready. We're gonna fry an egg. This is optional, but it's a great companion for our pisto. So there you go, couple of happy eggs on our pisto, some nice crunchy bread on the side. You can eat this as a dish on its own, or you can eat it as a side for pasta, for meat, for chicken, anything. Time to taste. Smells delicious. It's wonderful. 5 stars. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.